So in this question they are saying a bus starting from rest. So here we have a bus. Okay. Starting from rest, that means इसका initial velocity क्या होगा? It would be 0 meter per second. Further, like it's saying, moves with a uniform acceleration of what? 0.1 meter per second square. So this bus is moving with an uniform acceleration, और ये जो यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेशन है दैट इज बेसिकली नथिंग बट 0.1 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर फॉर द टाइम पीरियड ऑफ हाउ मच 2 minutes. So they have basically given us two cases. In the very first one they are asking us to calculate the speed acquired, and the second case they are asking a distance traveled. Okay, so I hope question is clear to you all. Now let's get into how to solve this. So basically let's like note down whatever the given like we have. So may I know like we can say na initial velocity is nothing but 0 meter per second. ठीक है. Second thing हमको क्या पता है? Acceleration पता है, that is 0.1 meter per second square. Third thing we know time, and this time is basically nothing but 2 minutes. Can I say 2 minutes को हम लिख सकते 2 into 60, that is this is equals to what? 120 seconds, right? So we can write this as what? 120 second. Further दो cases है. जो first case है, in that they have asked us to find the speed acquired, that is final velocity की बात कर रहे हैं. एंड सेकेंड केस में दे आर आस्किंग द डिस्टेंस कवर्ड. तो ये दो चीजें हमसे पूछी गई है. नाउ हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस? चलो फर्स्ट वाला सॉल्व करते, दैट इज लेट्स गो विद द फर्स्ट वन. सो हाउ टू फाइंड दिस फर्स्ट? दैट इज फाइनल वेलोसिटी. ओके, सो कैन आई से v इज नथिंग बट u प्लस at, इनिशियल वेलोसिटी प्लस एक्सेलरेशन इनटू टाइम. इनिशियल वेलोसिटी कितना बच्चा आपका? 0 है. एक्सेलरेशन कितना है? 0.1 है. टाइम को 2 minutes नहीं लेना है. यू आर सपोज टू गो विथ व्हाट? 120. क्लियर? नाउ 0 तो ठीक है गया, डजंट मैटर. 12 कितने जा? 1 जा, राइट? 12 1 जा बेसिकली नथिंग बट 12. इधर हमारे पास क्या है? 0 है. बट सिंस इधर एक पॉइंट के बाद डेसिमल है तो दिस विल बिकम व्हाट? 12.0. So what does this means? This means that final velocity would be something 12 meter per second. Okay, moving up with the next one. Here we have, that is basically they are asking us to find the displacement. Okay, uh, so displacement, you can go with the second equation of motion, that is s is equals to ut plus half at square. Now substitute the values accordingly. Initial velocity is 0, तो basically ये term eliminate हो जाएगा. What is left? Half at square. Half put as it is. Then we have acceleration, that is basically nothing but 0.1. And what is the time over here? It's nothing but 120 bracket raised to whole square. Now simplify these terms. So you will be getting something 144. Yeah, square is nothing but 144, 1440. Simplify the terms. So we can say that this would be equals to what? Again you need to multiply it by 1. So yeah, overall it will become 720 meter. So yes, we have find the speed acquired. It's basically nothing but it is 12 meter per second. And the second thing we know, that is the displacement. Displacement is nothing but 720 meter. Okay,